Hey guys, this video is on a SanDisk Clip Jam MP3 Player. So I'm going to do an unboxing and test it out. So this thing, picked this up at Best Buy. It says it plays up to 2,000 songs, up to 18-hour battery life. So this was all pretty cool. So I needed a small, there we go. I just tore it open like a bear. Okay, it's got some little headphones with it. I don't plan on using these, but that's kind of cool. Maybe they're halfway decent. I'm gonna try and use these Apple ones. There's the cord for it, so you get headphones, a cord. I expect the MP3. Look at that. Oh yeah, okay, this thing's smaller. That's cool. Smaller than, let me pull this off of here. All right, well here's everything that came in the box, but holy cow, that's cool. I'm actually really happy with this. It's smaller than I had figured. So it just fits right in the palm of your hand. I thought it was gonna be, you know, judging by the package, more like the size of the box, but yeah. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and figure this baby out, charge it up, pull this out first. All right, this says to connect it to the computer. So I'm gonna hook it up. There's my connection right there. This will go into the computer and then transfer the music and charge up the MP3 player. All right, I plugged this in. It says it's transferring and charging. All right, this is refreshing my media. So we'll go English and North America, settings. Looks like you can go music, radio, cool, books, folder, SD card, sport. All right, move either way with that. I'm gonna plug my headphones in here now. I'm gonna use these Apple headphones eventually. I'm gonna try these just for the heck of it, the ones that came with it. All right, this thing comes with, it sounds really good. It's actually, I'm playing some stock music that came with this, and so I'm filming as I'm listening to it too, but yeah. So you can just go shuffle. All right. We're gonna go ahead and try the radio out. Radio. Okay. Yep, good radio. Oh yeah. Oh, perfect. Nice. Okay, there's that. Yeah, play the radio. I didn't have to charge this thing that long to get the battery up there. All right. Okay, you can even preset your radio stations too. Okay, here's the sport function. Push play on it. You got a stopwatch, you got a timer if you want to run, do your, stopwatch. There we go. How do we start that? Right there. Yep. So start, stop. Okay, turned off. I held that down. Okay, so that's power on off. So hold that down, turn it back on. All right, now we're into settings. I can click on settings. You got system settings. You got power saver, brightness, sleep. You got the equalizer. Let's check out the equalizer. Normal. Oh, you got different settings on there. That's cool. Full bass. All right. options. Shuffle. All right, cool. And audiobooks. Cool. Podcast options, radio options. Okay, just presets there. All right, music. Whole bunch of things to choose from there. Radio, books, folders. Okay, so now here we can go music. So I'm gonna try to do volume here, music volume. So folders, internal memory, music. Okay, this is what's on there. Internal memory, system volume. Okay, indexer volume. Okay, I don't know what that means. Okay. Music. All right, I'm trying to turn up the volume on this thing, so I'll just go to settings here, and then system settings, and then you can scroll down till you hit volume, so you can do format. So here's volume. Click on that, and you can go normal or high. I'm gonna go high, so that's how you adjust that. All right, charging this baby up to full power. I love it. This thing's great. It's lightweight, easy to use, and these things are fine. I mean, you know, these are great. If you want to spend some money and get some better earbuds, you can. I'm actually pretty happy with the way these sound. You know. Thanks for watching.